Have you ever wondered what the future of civil engineering looks like with the advent of artificial intelligence? Well, let's delve into this fascinating world where technology meets construction. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is infiltrating nearly every facet of our lives, and civil engineering is no exception. The integration of AI in this field is dramatically changing the way we design, construct, and maintain infrastructure. Think about it. AI applications are transforming the planning and design process, making it more efficient and accurate. They're helping to predict and mitigate construction risks, enhancing the safety of workers and the public. They're even aiding in the maintenance of infrastructure, identifying potential problems before they become costly or hazardous. And let's not forget about sustainability. AI is key in optimizing resource usage and reducing environmental impact, thereby steering us towards a more sustainable future. The future of civil engineering is here, and it is intertwined with artificial intelligence. Now, let's take a closer look at how this is happening. Take the case of infrastructure design, for example. The power of artificial intelligence was showcased when it was applied to the design of the high-speed rail network project. AI was utilized to optimize the design process, resulting in significant cost reductions, increased safety, and improved sustainability. Artificial intelligence played a significant part in the decision-making process, enabling engineers to make informed choices based on predictive analysis. AI algorithms sifted through vast amounts of data to identify potential risks and opportunities, allowing for proactive risk management and efficiency improvements. For instance, AI was used to predict soil behavior under different weather conditions and loads, drastically improving the safety of the rail network. This predictive analysis reduced the risk of structural failures, saving millions in potential repair costs and, more importantly, ensuring the safety of passengers. In terms of sustainability, AI played a crucial role